Deborah and these thugs to go to this kids' school to kidnap them. Afenyo Markin admitted and said yes. Afenyo Markin knelt down and told the Chief Justice that she should remember the Wayamano. Remember me. Look at such foolishness. Then you expect me to come and sit here and say honorable? Now, honorable. You expect me to come and sit here and say, please, honorable. What is honorable about these piglets? What is honorable about them? Yeah, mamu 9 o'clock is here be start the event. Number of a press conference. Namu parliament no padia. Yesterday, I remember very well. Before Mahama Ayariga called off the vetting, he said 10 o'clock, and they were like, no, 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, the chairman of the committee has sat down. And you foolish idiots are doing press conference. Now, Nkwasi Afo is a party Ghana na yamu papadia. Ya mamu time yedbe ejuma. Mwe jiminti. Mwene na parliament na moya press conference. Na chairman na oti aye program na snat yan chan wa Afenyo Markin. And these piglets, this is how stupid they are. So they come and they start to attack. Because Afenyo Jimmy. Because the NPP as a political party is being led by a fool. And I'm saying 42 years is the minimum. Mobatina opposition, 42 years. I don't see these filthy people as honorable. Honorable ben the way we are saying. So what are the young ones learning from this? And Madam Apieja and took Jenny Etoho or Babesia, ye do non-co Babesia term without facts. Now, regam to say Nike Bia a was house and Treso Adaya a MPP for this foolishness. Na Mudia Didima Bedruha. At least you, Madam Apieja, or Mama can come when you change Jimmy way. He's just 46 years or 47 years. We on you time you. Me one efe ni trasina ayaden ay krodo so ni trasina kurikuri ayano ni trase na sabio egu kurikuri. Nkwasi ansa oye no elnom no na etwa ne picture onyini yo akokora na obo kro no obo ndira kakawure na aye na pempem enya dwene enya nyansa bi na wodi trim kakawure wonim kakawure na atoto di trim e mama adwene nsa wanyini Afenyo Markin no nchen mi o me ho na efe hwe na mahwe me ho yie na mama akwa we sori a otietem keka nkwasi asem frustrating kofo. And they are asasi a owian sase o Ghana efutu for. And my message you go to ahemfo na mo efutu area ho mo amakoji sika ne Afenyo Markin akɔhye dem a mo de Afenyo efutu for asase nyina ma Afenyo Markin mo nyina be yi moto mo ebusuafo a mo ne Afenyo Markin akɔhye dem atam eye hundreds and hundreds of acres of land amakwasi ampanyi we 99 years mo nyina be yi moto mo ya kromfo. We need the Efutu Traditional Council to come out. Now, Yanka Afenyo Markin Asem team, stay with me. Akwa we kakawure guna pempem we. Akwa we Afenyo Markin kakawure ayana pempem kakawure. Onyini yo. Kakawure na maestro we nyini kakawure. Unim kakawure. Right go. He's 46 years. Ojina is already 58. Ne wunyina mama ne wunyina masa. Na mama Jimmy was small boy. Ye Jimmy nti otieti ma ne etie no. Why should I call this person honorable? What has he done to deserve to be called an honorable? My mention of Afenyo Markin. And Asem we mean Jai Kanda because Afenyo Markin is somebody who has supported a pedophile. Me satefre chire nam de abedru enim. Number who the character we are talking about. And we have said it and I'm going to say it again today. Abrantie bi ne yire estat ebo bra. Ena sebio enkwara mienu be mu. Ma me dwedwam. Enkwara mienu be mu no. Ena den sebio aware de se yente ho asebe ma obi abetuma find in way. Enti enkwara be mu a abrantie no ene ababaawa no e find your way no ena emra eba wo mienu ntemu se e wo se enkwara no omutumi ba abrantie no ho ebedi holidays school time a ebi anom so akoba no enti abrantie no ene ne yire no na omo ye den omo ne omo ma ne tena sebio emre 2 weeks wa ha ebi a 1 month wa ha na ekoso Afenyo Markin time na abayiwa wei ene abrante ne te wo no Afenyo Markin na odi no ye dwudwam abote na fa ho enya ha ne beka se ofa no ope ofa na kotie eye opemso radio aha de yesi na odi no ope wafa no one na da enya asante kasa ye be hye ntoma obekoro na nokora ne hye inside ye ne enya opemso radio ne yoteso aha ye loud silence tv ye dwudwam inti abrante no ene eye ne yire wentwi kakra ba ya obi afine ne we no sa de ma wentwi ba ya na Afenyo Markin di oba no now de ekosi ye ne se abrante no na onim ena na enkwara no omusa 2-3 years ene 6 years so say na omko omo maame no ho me na oka say sa abayuwe Afenyo Markin am ya for adwuma e DVLA e wo suedro ho your friend no give me the name enti time na enkwara ne ko abayuwa no ho e maame no ho no na maame ne nua be ma your friend JJ na one maame ne nete tie me kire onipa boni ni Afenyo Markin ye na nse na one ne yire ne metwa picture I hope said the ato papa we dey be beto Afenyo Markin na ne mma no they innocent nti ana me bese me ka Afenyo Markin mma ho asem kwase abema now they see ye ne say enkwara no ko eye omo maame ho a na Afenyo Markin papa no ex wife na Afenyo Markin dinu no a wakopa adwuma ma no wo suedro DVL no na sa papa no Afenyo Markin girlfriend now no eye papa no ex no ni nua be ma friend JJ we yi ne kote atoto nkwara na num me be kire mo video audio me be kire mo pictures me be kire mo police report Afenyo Markin we court bi ope bi on fa me nko my ready o say onye sa de we a court bi o Ghana bi on fa me nko opa ombra ha court inti nkwara ne ba o mo papa ho no ena mo ka chom papa say ye koye maame wa ye maame nua be ma na otifie ho no wo yi ne court ya no de ato ye num ena mo ka kire ne papa no so hu say nkwara ne besra na one ne madi agura abosa akura no wa no de nsabo ne bema na akura ne yanyama bi iti papa no eye confused kakra ena papa ne de akura no ko hu doctor na doctor say ombai obi de nsa keka omo enti ho ena papa ne ne ma ne tena ase di nkomo ebusa akura ne say mokomu maame wa aya na DNA si make sure Afenyo Markin the kind of dirty person he is. In fact, let me find this and play it for you. Make sure papa no ne eye ne mani di nkomo no nkomo a one ne mani di ye no gemi nkomo a one ne mani di ye de ne mani ka kire no na mebebo a kire wo no enti papa ne busa ne mani se de na mokọ a esi nkora na asem ka kire papa ne nie we Afenyo Markin girlfriend na obi yiri na wakoji di dinu no ni nua ba ma Afenyo Markin ni masem we. If you say Bema no after that no or the court me bedwudwam e de abeduru hande enkora ne ba mo papa no ne papa no ehye se o ne nkora de bedi nkomo tie de nkora ne kan ye omko ne maame ho
Dr. Lu was saying something.
I was saying something.
No, Dr. Lu was saying something.
Yes. Daddy, what's these?
I think they're key holders. Sorry, you said the last two things that Uncle JJ did. I'm listening.
He put wee-wee in my mouth and I go and wash my mouth 22. And he put his vagina on my mouth.
He put his what?
His penis in my mouth and I go and wash my mouth again.
And where was Mommy when it happened?
Mommy said it one more time. Uncle Gigi didn't do it. Daddy, Uncle Gigi is Mommy's brother. That's why she's believing.
I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry these things happened.
And he said that I'm stupid and he threw me on the floor. And then I scratched myself so badly it was a bit deep.
I'm sorry.
And the last thing is that he kept on pushing me on the wall, hitting me on the wall like that. My stomach was hurting and I felt so sick.
Okay. I'm really sorry he did all these things to you. It will never happen again.
Okay. Daddy. He also put a rubber in my mouth and that rubber that was from the dustbin. And he let me eat something that was from the dustbin. And then he put a paper on the floor. I almost slipped and broke my knee.
Okay. I'm really sorry.
This is heartbreaking. Oma ako oyire ho. Mo separate. Now oyire enua be ma efre JJ e de ne kote atoto wo manuma enkwara na yare. Now after the man discovered this, e de enkwara ne ko pediatrician ho, e de enkwara ne ko police headquarters, police station, police hospital. Your man report ni bibi a kire say this actually happened. You know what happened? JJ guy ne arrested no. And a lady no your friend is Selena and the oko eye koforia DVL e ho do ye djuma Afenyo Markin and me fa ne djuma ne appointment letter ni mama nchonchiro na me that time no day the appointment letter because there are some people who are new to this. I need a picture now. Me here Selena picture kwasi asem mama na appointment letter ni mama nchiro Selena ne appointment letter ni Afenyo Markin ne kopa se djuma na ma no Afenyo Markin ene kope edwuma ma lady no papa ne ex no your friend Selena koforudia ono na ne mani o sa Selena no ono ena ne nua be ma de ne kote toto nkwara na num ono ane ma enum ena obo ma no ena nkwara ne yare ne ye de omko eden ye de omko hospital offer of appointment as an administrative officer Afenyo Markin Selena Okumpa Botei ni dino no that's her name na mana me no ka no Afenyo Markin de dino ono Afenyo Markin to TV so episode there obusan call for questions. Now this is the woman Afenyo Markin ekofa adwuma ekopa adwuma o koforia DVL man no omumbusa say does she qualify? Now mame nko me see court bi opa bia onko me metena nka asema mini fact kama bodam but me pese Ghana fo hu Afenyo Markin the ebe sin there no the kind of person he is oya kromfo. And I've said it. Only credibility be able to lead the MPP because Nipada or the share hono. Ekufuadu we know he needed a criminal like himself to lead the piglets. Now, yanko enim. Yabeka babe see and the vetin no so. Now if we are Ghana near, utie me abeka say okay. And nothing Afenyo Markin oya dia oya no. Okay, thank you, Spider. Now, so after that, and a bear man said no, officer pursue case no. Police arrested a JJ no. And na Afenyo Markin say on the bed then obey a lawyer for a Selena. Niana audit ne kwati atoto a ono girlfriend mbanum. Afenyo Markin's law firm was the law firm defending JJ who is a pedophile. In this article, Afenyo Markin is a pedophile defender. A free buyer. When the police arrested JJ, and then I'm in your race because and they Afenyo Markin. Now, when the police arrested JJ, documents in the doors into this sometime refi. Police arrested JJ no. Police ankasa report a JJ charge at the board in the NDA. Afenyo Markin we or ye kromfo. He no we have time because anyway. So you see the Republic versus Jere Okumpa Botei on the friend JJ no ninya ba ene girl na man ex Afenyo Markin din no Selena oyedwuma koforudia DVL into Osha police report a court document na indecent assault contrary to section 103 2B of the Criminal Offence Act 29/60. Particulars of offence. Jaira Okumpa, age 33, biomedical scientist. For that you somewhere in 2021 at Ensafo, Winneba, in the central region and within the jurisdiction of this court, touched one one blah 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 vagina without her consent. Ordinance wo nkwara no de ne bema to omonum. Enti abrantie we ye de court no na ne lawyer Afenyo Markin on ne G case no. Papa na ye de ne ma. Papa na ya molested ma ye de obi de court ato ne manum. Ne ex-wife no date Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin akọ a step further by being the lawyer to girl ni nua bema no commit a crime no. Afenyo Markin owo mabao. This is a despicable, filthy human being. Inti Asana go pie court. And Afenyo-Mark can start manipulating judges nibi. My baby judges nibi din wa ha. At a point, the judges decided to go against the children. Not judge bako or insist say yemfa akora na ya molested and met na court na akora ni nyano. That was the doing of Afenyo Markin. A judge or your bar or tna court eka chire papa ne ma any prosecutor police prosecutor let's say because police prosecutor no eka chire court to say enkwara minors, we cannot bring the kids to court to testify. The police, in front of an attorney, they have taken a statement from the kids, and further investigations and their medical records has proven say the kids were touched. And so, Lord Judge Bitna Court, a Winnie Bahoka Chre, a papa ne say, Uncle Fan and 2-3 years in the Adakem. This is Ghana. This was all done by Afenyo Markin, manipulated the system. Because on any law firm, a defended pedophile. No. When I see that guy on TV, I'm boof because I'm maba, and then I'm Afenyo Markin Asem. He despises me. I look at him like shit. No, I'm a tan. Me maba. Until any time ya me niba bo Afenyo Markin, so I'm boof. Or you foolish, filthy guy. Now this is what happened. Omudi case na court na. Bearman is spending money to at least get the daughters because Afenyo Markin was defending JJ no through his law firm and also Air Force say omunje nkwara ne mama no and papa said no. Say nkwara we sa go back baby a JJ tia because mama ne JJ na ti. Akwa no ebe repeat nkwara every day. Afenyo Markin law firm no ejina wo say they are insisting say nkwara no enko back to where they were destroyed. So he was in court back and forth. This man was spending millions of thousands of Ghana cedis. Back and forth, Dovsu, day, court every day. Share how it will affect these kids psychologically. None of the yeah. Assembly drew point to be Afenyo Markin took a phone. Abraya walk court case in the Koso. Afenyo Markin a defended the pedophile. A young man ex-wife na Afenyo Markin didn't know. Afenyo Markin as a lawyer who knows the rules and regulations, the ethics of a law na Ghana no, he picked a phone and called the gentleman to threaten him. Afenyo Markin knew, said the gentleman was being represented by a counsel or a lawyer, and so we a lawyer, you should know this is the basic fundamental law. Says only obi or quarter, you don't talk to Nipani directly. So person in Nipani kasa, the first rule is to talk to the lawyer. Afenyo Markin for a phone or fre. Abrantie na or no Afenyo Markin. Dini ex-wife Sani ex-wife ni nua bema de ne kwoti atoto abrantie ne manum no. Afenyo Markin called the gentleman to threaten him. This is Afenyo Markin threatening the gentleman.
Listen. When I go to his office, you cross your legs in my office. When I go to his office, he's the boss. No, he's quiet. He's quiet before you. No.
Sorry. This is the wrong tape. I'm sorry.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
By Jehovah's grace, I'm doing very well, thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
This is Afenyo Markin.
Okay. Yes, I missed your call this morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I called you, huh? How old are you?
Sorry?
How old are you?
Sorry, I don't understand your question.
I said, how old are you? What's your age?
Sorry, sir, I want to understand why.
Okay, I'm your ex-wife's lawyer regarding the custody of your kids.
Okay.
And I sent my junior lawyer, Deborah. You remember the drama in the school on Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Right, that ended at the police station, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm saying, how old are you? There's something I want to tell you. That's why I'm asking you. I'm talking to you as a gentleman, as a brother. What's your age now?
I find it difficult to answer this
question. No problem. If you won't answer, let me tell you something. I'm a family man myself, okay?
Sorry, come on.
And I'm saying I'm a family man myself.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And I'm talking to you as a brother.
Okay.
I don't want to pull the law. Okay? It will be waste of energy. But I want us to find a way of resolving matters. things, okay?
Okay.
You have put a woman to bed. Me, I believe in metaphysics. And woman getting yeah. Initially, and that's why I ask you of your age. We may be carried away by our ego and our pride. What I've seen in life, I don't like to confront issues. I think that there's always a somber way of resolving matters. Because at the end of the day, the effect on our lives, we don't see where it is coming from. If there are mistakes we made in life, maybe we think we have some little money, we can pay our way out, we can frustrate people, hurt people, but in the end, it ends up destroying us. So I'm talking to you as a brother, not as a lawyer to your ex-wife. So I'm done with talking to you as a brother. Now I'm talking to you as a lawyer.
Sorry. You go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay. Did you follow? I said that my first statement to you was talking to you as a brother and a family man. Now I'm going to talk to you as a lawyer. Okay? So talking to you as a lawyer, try as much as possible. Maybe I could get your lawyer's number so that we respect the court order with the issue of she having access, you having access, so that both of you, I mean, you've lived together before, you've had husband and wife relationship. This is the time for both of you to torture each other and then make sure that the kids get the best out of it. Okay? So it's vacation. Whether there's extra classes or not, extra classes is not regular school. She must have access to the kids, and you would have access to them on weekends. That is what the order says. If you agree with me, I think that you can place a call to your wife and ask her to come for the kids. There's no need for police or national security or lawyers to be involved, because the order is clear, so that you can have a peaceful relationship even after your divorce. This is what I think I want to suggest to you, young man.
I've heard you.
So you see, case to a court, then you see what he did. And let me tell you, this Afenyo Markin, he's not older than this gentleman. Oh. No. This was when he was majority leader. You see what they used the power for? Now, first of all, friend Nipano, on him son Nipano court, he does not have the right. And anything on him is all committed crime, no. Also, I spoke to you as a family man. Now I'm going to speak to you as a lawyer because he knew he was committing a crime. These are all intimidating tactics. Now, see, Obusan, how old are you? You call somebody you are in court with, and then you just ask the person, how old are you? Then he's like, what is your age? Then he goes ahead to say, I'm your ex-wife's lawyer. The ex-wife, Selena, now he's chopping her, no? Selena, then you have the court yashishan kwara we didn't and saw warm no. Afenyo-Mark is the one representing that guy. The law firm. Now, he goes ahead to call this man to indirectly do what? Threaten him. What you heard there, lawyer be or America be any 24 hours, you'll be disbarred. Do you know that? But why was Afenyo Markin calling this man? I mean, sure the question of friend. Afenyo Markin all kasa of phone so no say, oh, you remember the drama that happened at Wombani school, hono? That involves my one of my subordinates, Deborah. Something happened. Now, at the end of the year, Afenyo Markin knew that he had committed a crime and also could jail. And I say, he say, yeah, and say, Yamani Parliament. But because he knew, so I committed crime, he wanted to indirectly intimidate the gentleman to stay away from pursuing justice. This call was indirectly to bully the man. That, do you know me? How old are you? What is your age? Technically, he's trying to psychologically sit on him to tell you that I am powerful than you. You are nobody. This is what he's trying to do. Psychologically, he wants to frustrate the gentleman to be scared. Kwasia way to parliament and there, busa questions. But I want you to know the kind of character, yeah. Anytime I can say MPP will never come to power again because they have a pedophile defender who is leading them into a ditch they will never come out of. Now, the reason why Afenyo Markin placed that call was because he knew that in the afternoon he had given instructions which was criminal. Now, what happened in the afternoon before he made this call was that Deborah na oboni dino onye yejujum about Deborah bidin. Now, this is the Deborah lady. Deborah way oye juma ewo Afenyo Markin law firm ho. Now Deborah we no enkwara no time court can say abrante be to make keep enkwara no, and that until decision is made. The woman was insisting say obeso oje enkwara no ede no omukotena abra jeje da hoten nche na abrante say ompene. E ho na Afenyo Markin who say papa no de enkwara na ko school no. Afenyo Markin sent this lady, a friend Deborah, or Yejuma Afenyo Markin law firm. Tie, and it's now here corner. Say, do you remember the incident that happened at your kid's school? Meaning he's admitting that a crime has been committed. So he knows of the incident. Now, the incident was that Afenyo Markin sent Deborah with these two criminals. These two criminals are no more national security. This is right before elections. So, Asem we need 2 years. Last year, Asem last year, yeah. Before elections. So this lady Deborah, who works at Afenyo Markin's law firm, went to the kids' school. And Quran are going through a lot. I'm gonna recover you. Afenyo Markin still told them, say, on the girlfriend or your man way ex-wife, no. I catch them say, Uncle Jim Quran by force. Abra case in court. And no smart Deborah. And no smart kophobia no so me almost a national security for. And no omu court school was say omu kidnapping Quran. This is the minority leader. This is the man you want me to call honorable. This is the thing that is trying to interview people and insulting people's wife and averting this. When the MP before some deba power beam. So what happened was that a call was placed, and then this man had to rush to the school to protect his kids. I have 2 girls. They don't know what is going on. This Deborah and these 2 guys entered the school with guns so to kidnap the kids. The school owner knows about this. And then what happened was the gentleman had to leave work, drive so quickly to the school. Psychologically, school na kidnap person Deborah no ho. And now my friend is legal police for. And they bet Deborah and your chinko for me anyway. Tie Afenyo Markin such a dirty riffraff. Call to be obvious be uncle. I'm waiting for him. Ain't he? You bet chinko for way. And the idea call East Legon police station. East Legon police station one. Police inspector now, this is on record. They should go to East Legon police station. Omano Asem. That police officer there, the inspector, the head, sir, is the most criminal police station in Ghana. Obe police station at Krono Opa, East Legon police station. Mami be na inspector or then Asem we be seen in Naso. She was there. We close the docket because in Kofona Afenyo Markin small on me thugs, they are killers. Omuche ayanko for me anyway, miensa we nobody call East Legon police station. And when you bet your kohun say Deborah ye juma wa Afenyo Markin law firm. And that or your junior lawyer wa Afenyo Markin law firm. Now listen to what happened at the police station when they were taken there. Muntie ye, police inspector no was questioning them. And some of the police officers were questioning them, say, why in a summa musa mon kon kwala school on kwala kidnapping? Must be a national security for. Listen to what the people said. Afenyo Markin, it's a dirty guy. Muntie they sue a police station war. A despicable, filthy guy.
Listen. When I go to his office, you cross your legs in my office. When I go to his office, he's the boss. Now he's quiet. He's quiet before you. No. We have not come to that. We have not come to that. So, we have taken clues from you. We are going to follow the order to the letter. Mr. Sexùal, listen. We will follow the order to the letter. Your lawyer can come in and fight with the council on record, Mr. Alexander Afenyo Markin. We will follow the order to the letter. We will go through the whole procedure.
Now, you heard the inspector. Time I'm going to call. Now, say, we are going to call the person who brought you, sent you to the school to kidnap Alexander Afenyo Markin. On a suman of way. This guy is standing in parliament today, so honorable. Now, did it end there? No. So the gentleman realized, say, Afenyo Markin was manipulating the police service because not a majority leader then. And his life was at stake. His kids, their life were at stake. So he didn't know what to do. But he decided to pursue. So the gentleman decided to pursue the matter. Now this is what happened. Abrantieri decided, say, Obe petition the General Legal Counselor, the Chief Justice, or very close to Afenyo Markin eteso. Listen to me. So the gentleman, Nkorane Papanika, said, no, I can't let this slide. A lawyer, a so-called lawyer, was sent by their boss, who is also a lawyer and a member of parliament, go to my kids' school to try and kidnap them, no? And you want this case to be like a foolish case, see the trauma and manikom. So he decided to pursue. He decided to move and check, say, or send a So the young man, the father of the kids, decided to go to the General Legal Counsel. The General Legal Counsel is supposed to be in Penufua, Omunim Ghana Mra. Technically, because omno disciplinary committee, we a lawyer na ubum raso Ghana. I was here kiwasumana ye you to akunya. The Chief Justice anadan for pa ni Afenyo Markin. Pa. Even Chief Justice Papa wu ye osane mami wu ye na Afenyo Markin fie ene ye Chief Justice ne mami osane papa ye. Inti omu ye cho. Omu boko sua tafre. Omu boko sua etafre. Because obi ndo wona kumemu a onfa ni fie ma osefa yo papa yi omu bokosua oni Chief Justice botafre enti abrantie no e the case ni ko General Legal Counselor Chief Justice Madam Tokonu eteso Madam Tokonu na danfo pa ni Afenyo. Madam Tokonu, the Chief Justice of Ghana, on the chair the General Legal Counsel ni nipa pa onim ni pa ne nyonko pa ne Afenyo Markin. Now, Asem kodru ono. So the General Legal Counsel actually saw the petition and they called the case. And this is evidence. Today 11/6. Good morning, say. Time General Legal Counsel headed by the Chief Justice. Efre Abrantier no say ombrani entia asem na awoka no because Abrantier the petition ko say Afenyo Markin asman a younger lawyer and kidnappers to go to his kids school. Abra oya lawyer onim Ghana mra. Enti I was a General Legal Counsel take a decision. Emre wa Ghana chere say o say sa lawyer no ye yini free law Ghana lawyer for mu. I was say yini to akonwa. So this is the inviter, the General Legal Counsel Edinburgh Abrantier say ombrani entie na asem. Now, this is to remind you of meeting with the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Counsel scheduled for Thursday 18th January 2024 last year. Yeah. Time was 1 p.m. Venue, General Legal Counsel Secretariat. Thank you. Inti sa information way by an Abrantier no ko. Abrantier no ko no okobo ni nkuro nyina. Emma Chief Justice Tiase say lawyer Afenyo Markin. On any subordinate Deborah. Efa 2 criminals eka omo ho. E de call ne mafie abra ene masku se omo ko fan kora by force abra case ni wo court. Afenyo Markin onye lawyer ketwa Ghana ha osawo imra shebedwum. He knows what is right. Inti dia wa ye no e was General Legal Counsel etwena so na omo twe Deborah no so aso. That was the gentleman's case. Now, the General Legal Counsel Tnasino, what Madam Tokonu, the Chief Justice of Ghana, or your Oba, Wachimawo, Ojina, sorry, them who preach for Jesus Christ home. Say, or no person or your role model, no, or ne some Okudzeto, sa Papa Kromfo, a ribina, Fulani awune ni bi na ono Ekufo didi nkwasi asem a na ode ne kwasi abe support no Sam Okudzeto. Get me his picture. That's Sam Okudzeto, not the General Legal Council committee so. Says I need Sam Okudzeto's picture. So I'm comfortable with nipa maker. Okay, the Council of State for no. This man, his name is Sam Okudzeto. His son raped his house help. And because he knew his son was going to be jailed, as we speak, that his son is in Canada. This man, his name is Sam Okudzeto. He was sitting on the panel too as well. Onye, this criminal. Wait, more on the story be every car that he drives was bought for him by Kufuado. Let me show you. We more respect you more Ghana. Now this man is called Sam Okudzeto. He was sitting on the panel. The Chief Justice, Madam Tokonu, was sitting on the panel. I think, give me the list. The list was in there. All these people were sitting on the panel. And I'm with Abranti we Asem. Evidence with video evidence, audio evidence, police report. Afenyo Markin has committed a crime. Thank you, Mr. S. I have it here. Now, you can't say anything, no. Because Afenyo Markin, you chocho mucho, na down for pa or the boko tafre. Na down for the boko kosia tafre. Chief Justice, Chief Justice, ma me kura wu Afenyo Markin fie ne ye no. You can't say anything, no. I was Kevin Penchichimu. Me Juma was Kevin Penchichimu. I'm going to no. This is what the General Legal Council told Afenyo Markin. And before I show you this, at the committee hearing, say Chief Justice Sam Boa Omeka. Say Okudzeto, Sam Okudzeto Sam Boa Omeka. They called Afenyo Markin and questioned him that did you, Deborah and these thugs, to go to this kids' school to kidnap them. Afenyo Markin admitted and said yes. Afenyo Markin knelt down and told the Chief Justice that she should remember the Wayamano. Remember me as the days pass. Remember me. Some guys are moving on. I don't know my friend say, give me the name. It is Afenyo Markin. General Legal Council Obunko to Chief Justice says so be antinkra. Chief Justice Kai. Come back to me. Kai kautrimu se menwa ye be pain. Oh, school girl, come back to me. Inti Afenyo Markin. Ebunko to Chief Justice often into the name no on Kai. General Legal Council for Etna Syria, and this was their final decision. Their final decision was that Afenyo Markin in court. No consequences. He wasn't disbarred. Nothing. And I'm catching Afenyo Markin. Deborah now you one the office want to say, Uncle Tro an apology letter. This is your Chief Justice. Featuring Afenyo Markin. Sameboa Afenyo Markin said this is not what happened. So Omoma Deborah Etro an apology. Just an apology. And I'm so be uncle. Where are the standards? And this apology nenye ma minjudwem wo brofum na so amefo nti minjudwem they say 24 said na nato new car nti me ye bibia me ye kakra na wo car no ho do nti Deborah Asabre Ameya Esquire, barrister, solicitor, Superior Court of Ghana, December 9, 2023, last 2 years here some yo Mr. Isaac Sani Thomas, Pram Tema 6 Accra, dear say, into Deborah natural letter of apology and Asem no Chief Justice Botuguye. General Legal Council. They not take any action against Afenyo. And the Afenyo has the moral right to sit in parliament to vet people. Ya bodamana. This is the letter of apology. I am writing to formally apologize for the incident that occurred at your ward school on June 24, 2022, following a distress call made to me by my clients. I understand that my presence caused some concern, and I deeply regret any inconvenience or discomfort this may have caused. I am committed to ensuring that such incidents do not occur in the future. Once again, I extend my sincere apologies for any disruption caused. Thank you for your time and consideration. Yours faithfully, Deborah Asabia Ameyao Esquire. Deborah Asabia Ameyao. She works at Afenyo Markin's law firm. Afenyo Markin sent her. The General Legal Counsel said she should write just an apology. What kind of country are we in? Me buildia mo ya bedru ende Afenyo Markin krono or bo efutu for. Mo ahemfo na mo efutu area ho na mo ne Afenyo Markin aya one na mo wiansa ase ne bebo mo nyina budin. Mo ahemfo na mo go no. Some of you the chiefs. The youth na mo efutu no. Wa we say and the efutu. What the 30 years Afenyo Markin 2 over hundreds of acres were for the 99 years. Ubewu. Undi ye uni asase. Oh, your hin and the way the sister, oh, the dada. Oh, Ghana, now te futu area ho, now the 30 years, 99 years, they do assassin in Afenyo Markin. Ube unya assassin. The young woman cry for your cobo jantrabe woman. They will not get there. Kwasia wen in one what time assassin afa. The beba ho. And the Ablakwa Busan or parliament to say, whoa, a futu for do when you your masasi. When to mankasa, you will get there. But then, the reason why I'm doing this is a person Ghana for who say, Afenyo Markin way a diabolic man on Kanukre. There's nothing about him that is honorable. Maybe better be sure we see. You can see clearly say. You can see clearly say. Bimbo mi se munkan bibia. Me betina hey. Mimbo mi se munkan bibia. Me nye me make things up. Asem bia make bia me too see na ma chire. Me too dia na ma chire see. Because I want you to understand that this is how it should be done. And your personal, exposing rot in our system. In this obi feel said the Americano, it is a liar. Court in the Biodoro, uncle. Now, me uncle in a show why Afenyo Markin or yet deadly criminal. Yeah, because the man who know no prove say or any pebia or nim raso. Now, and something happened in Parliament. It's one was it shows you the kind of person he is. In the sense, almost Afenyo Markin is attacking the clerk of Parliament. So almost Afenyo Markin is vicious. So almost Afenyo Markin is doing that. This is just a bit of what he can do behind the scenes. A member of Parliament, a leader of the NPP in Parliament in 2023, who was able to send thugs after 3-year-old. This guy can kill. He can. Because so say or nipa or what badaye now I won't know he knows that you're here and it was a crime. First, calling the man and threatening him, and secondly, sending your subordinate to go to the kids' school to kidnap them. This man is not supposed to be sitting in Parliament. This man is not supposed to be sitting in Parliament. Or a nipa bia or a diabolic or a comfort or integrity bia. Enkofo yirenum no gu omoso emrewa sebio nipa bi di omura show mumu so mo betumi adwene akekere Ghana ena obutu omoso ena to emrewa poso a sebio stairs 5 kro ntumi mfo emrewa mutumi sha wake no mo sresre by heart ena ogu omoso se krane akwawe 47 years onduru baby a on time you me ho na efe Afenyo Markin is not older than me, so guess my age. Young girls, you know, why a in the 90s, we are meant to try to over chain. The 60s, 70s, 30s, 40s. Yeah, painful. This guy, oya kwara. Power na akodi trim onim nyansa. En kwasiade we Ghana ne say over tin kwofo. Yeah, vetin. Tell Afenyo Markin is being vetted on Loud Silence TV. So yeah, vetting. Yeah, vetting wa ha. They be a ben vetting. Media member Ghana ho metna ha vetting. And I'll vet you with facts. I'm not going to speculate because I'm not in the business of speculation. No. I always make sure bikuta bibi and some diabo ejuma. Now let's move forward. Make sure the kind of person he is. And in Parliament, bibi wan be see by nya because me from what I know, Afenyo Markin has been grabbing lands and stealing Ghana lands. Da. and he has been doing it for a long time. And then in the panic Kennedy Japan, or say or a Kennedy Japan lawyer. Mo will say a yet Bujumbura camp na bubugu ya no sanko fu na shechiri. No mu hiya asase no. Afenyo Markin efutufo asase nyina wafa. Ena we jimi omu emmebunu no aka bibia to omutirim. Oh yesi police station amamo. Oh ya to apetition amamo. Efutu youth na dodo na jimi. Omo maame no ne omo wofanom no so na omo badwene no. Omo ma politics ashe omo ma. Ena foolish boy 47-year-old anwunani akora o. Anwunani ba we wura efutu ahemfo ene abusua panyinfo de na tenase ena o matam eyeden asase no e de ama no 99 years Ghana mra kire se obi anu a aban asase obetume owning over 50 years Afenyo Markin fa efutu asase 99 years. I am vetting him here and he has the opportunity to go and vet me. He can also come on in parliament and vet me. Now, whatever I said is wrong, is a lie. We are vetting to vetting. He vetted people today. I am vetting him today. This guy and the Tamana Oyeden or veti Okudzeto Ablakwa. Get me Afenyo Markin's number. I need to let you people call him and ask him if Efutu ni busami say Afenyo Markin number again. He's a public figure and he serves the people of Efutu. Into what Afenyo Markin number, the former me na memfanto na Efutu for them freno. Say Asama Kevin Taylor kano. No kre.